Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add like a green screen overlay to your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to choose one from the app itself. So there's a bunch that you can choose from here, as you can tell, and I'm just going to select this one, this hot air balloon one, and I'm going to place it on top of a video of like space, like this one maybe. Anyways, I'm just going to select the video. I'm going to go to cutout chroma key and select color picker, select the green background, and just adjust the strength and add in some shadows as well. And that's pretty much it really. It's a bit hard to blend if like the video like colors is a little bit different. Maybe choose like something like this instead. But still you have to go to the video and kind of like blend it in. Hold on, let me just adjust this. And then go to like adjustments. Here this is like a little bit too bright, so we're just going to adjust the saturation to match the background a little bit better, the temperature and the hue as well. Like so. And maybe just the brightness a little bit. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.